Do you recall the legendary game of dice? Yes, that specific game where the Pandavas gambled everything, including Draupadi, and lost everything. This incident was the genesis of inspiration for the Mahabharata.
3 बीघा कॉरिडोर
3 बीघा कॉरिडोर
3 बीघा कॉरिडोर
गृह मंत्री अमित शाह यहाँ पर आए हैं।
19 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर का इलाका है,
लेकिन आखिर क्या खास है
यही वो कॉरिडोर है जो चारों तरफ से भारत से घिरा हुआ है।
This story is about that mess which took shape as a corridor, the 3 Bigha corridor. Let's go back centuries ago to the game of cards and chess that was played between two kings, the Raja of Koch Bihar and the Maharaja of Rangpur. In these games, instead of betting their wives, they bet on their land, specifically patches of land from within their kingdoms. Some were lost, some were gained, and ultimately, when India and Bangladesh looked at each other after 1971, they found this mess on their hands. It was terrible, as both of them knew it would be very difficult to govern these territories inside each other's borders. Ultimately, they looked for a solution and after years of deliberations in 2015, ceded the territories to one another, incorporating them within their respective countries, except for Dahagram. This particular piece of land that belonged to Bangladesh was deliberately excluded from the land deal, even though it was completely inside India. You see, before the 2015 agreement, both sides wanted to figure out a way to handle their enclaves within each other's boundaries. Bangladesh gave their patch of land to India so that India could access their own enclaves. However, India cannot concede any land unless it is approved by its parliament. To figure out this issue, India realized it did not need to change the law. Instead of asking for parliament's approval, the government decided to lease the land to the Bangladesh government so that they could access their enclave within their Indian borders. This arrangement is quite unique, as there would be no visa requirements to travel across foreign territory. Thus, the 3 Bigha corridor took birth in 1992, functioning initially for few hours a day, and since the year 2011, it has been open for 23 hours. It closes for 1 hour every day so that our border security forces can raise the Indian flag in the corridor. Fortunately, this does not conclude in a war-like situation like in Mahabharata. So remember, next time whenever you play a game of dice, cards or chess, try not to gamble your land, territories and particularly your fief.